Participation is presented to Sean Joshua O. Nipon. Okay, we will now start from the winner. Certificate of recognition is presented to Elvis Gia Masqual, top senior. Sige ni Mr. Elvis, ato ka ni Steve ako ha. Okay. Ikatalaan. Top lady, Miss Ainisa Di Riandino. Ainisa? Okay, for your brother. Ainisa, Adi Ashton. Same certificate of recognition is awarded to Jen Maria Angela A. Quintana, top kid girl. Congratulations. To receive cash, 100 pesos, gold medal, and certificate.